Subscribe to S Travels 4K. Like, comment, share.
What does a city look like at 3 in the morning? Not the version you see on postcards, not the one tourists usually experience. Tonight, we're walking the streets of the UK's biggest cities, when most people are asleep, and discovering what really happens after dark. Exploring nightlife and late-night street walks can be exhilarating, but also misunderstood. Some see danger. Others see freedom. In this video, we're heading into London, Manchester, and Edinburgh at 3 a.m. to explore the energy, the beat, the atmosphere, how to experience it safely. The vibrant nightlife of UK cities like London, Manchester, and Edinburgh offers single ladies a thrilling experience with a plethora of clubs, bars, and cultural events to explore. As the clock strikes 3 a.m., the streets often transform into a quieter yet intriguing world, perfect for reflective walks under the city lights. While these cities are generally safe, it's crucial for single women to remain vigilant during late-night strolls, opting for well-lit, populated areas and staying connect-hand. Nightlife and 3 a.m. street walks in the cities of the UK can offer a unique and exhilarating experience for single ladies, combining the vibrant energy of urban life with moments of serene solitude. Cities like London, Manchester, and Edinburgh come alive after dark, boasting an array of nightclubs, bars, and live music venues that cater to diverse tastes. The social scene is often lively, with opportunities to meet new people and enjoy the pulsating rhythms of nightlife. However, it's important to prioritise safety, staying with friends, communicating with venue staff, and trusting your instincts can enhance the experience and ensure peace of mind. Whether dancing in a club or wandering through city streets, the UK's nightlife offers a captivating experience that's as safe as it is exhilarating. Remember, if you ever feel uncomfortable, local support services are available to assist. Whether you're stepping out for a night of revelry or a tranquil midnight stroll, the UK's nightlife offers an unforgettable tapestry of experiences. Nighttime exploration is more than entertainment. It is curiosity in motion. It is about seeing cities stripped of their daytime masks. Without crowds, without urgency, urban spaces reveal their truest character. At 3 a.m., the city belongs to a rare community: night workers, artists, musicians, travellers, and wanderers, each navigating the darkness with purpose. London After Dark is a city within a city, a global capital that reinvents itself nightly, blending sophistication with spontaneity. From the polished exclusivity of Mayfair nightclubs to the warm intimacy of East London pubs, the city offers every shade of nocturnal experience. At 3 in the morning, London feels both vast and personal. Conversations spill onto pavements. Taxi drivers become storytellers. Strangers exchange knowing smiles, the unspoken bond of those awake when the world rests. Yet beneath the glamour lies structure. London's night economy is supported by transport networks, night buses, and visible policing, an ecosystem designed to keep the city moving safely after hours. If London is spectacle, Manchester is sound. This city breathes music. From warehouse raves to underground gigs, Manchester's nightlife is a testament to creativity born after dark. It is here that legendary sounds emerged, and where new voices still find their stage. At 3 a.m, Manchester feels raw and real. There is grit, yes, but also warmth. The night here is communal. Strangers talk. Bar staff remember your name. Music becomes the common language. This is a city that understands the night as an extension of identity. Not excess, but expression. Edinburgh at night feels different, older, quieter and more contemplative. As the crowds fade, the city's ancient character steps forward. Streets whisper history. Shadows linger longer. A T3 AM walk here is not about noise. It is about atmosphere. The sound of footsteps echoes off stone walls built centuries ago. The night invites reflection, yet even here, life persists. Late-night cafes, students returning home, night shift workers beginning their day.
Okay.
Edinburgh reminds us that nightlife does not always shout. Sometimes it speaks softly. One of the most striking aspects of UK nightlife is its social openness. At night, barriers soften. Conversations begin more easily. Shared experience replaces status. The night creates temporary communities built on laughter, music, and mutual respect. But these spaces thrive on balance. Respect for others, awareness of surroundings, and shared responsibility keep the night welcoming. Exploration must always be paired with care. Staying with friends, trusting your instincts, knowing your route home, these are not restrictions but freedoms. The UK's cities invest heavily in nighttime safety, from transport to support services. True enjoyment comes from confidence, not recklessness. Nightlife is not just entertainment. It is culture, economy, and identity. It supports artists, hospitality workers, transport staff, and countless unseen roles. It is a mirror of society's creativity and resilience. At 3 AM, cities reveal who they truly are. Not polished, not perfect, but alive. Whether you dance until dawn or wander in quiet reflection, the night offers a different way of seeing, a reminder that urban life does not end when the lights dim. Sometimes it begins.
Come on, boys.
Subscribe to S Travels 4K. Like and comment.
Here we go.
My favourite things are shopping, obviously, the nightlife, the social life, everything.
Okay. And
My
yourself?
favourite things are the nightlife, the diversity, no matter where you are, you're having a good time. I love shopping, obviously, and then I love the nightlife, the diversity, and of course we love S Travels 4K. The bars, the nightlife's good here, a lot of people, and the hotels. Yeah?
Subscribe to S Travels 4K. Like,